Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a gorgeous all aluminum 4-place snowmobile trailer we just got in stock. This is a brand new Triton 8.5 by 20 plus a 5-foot V. Again, all aluminum, set up for 4-place sleds. These are amazing trailers. They're super lightweight because they are all aluminum, come with a 5-year factory warranty, and it's got a lot of great features on it. This one is in a beautiful smooth skin black exterior. It does have the driver's side door, so you guys have that for loading and unloading and getting in and out a lot easier. Plus you guys can see you've got that nice little aluminum step right there. This one's set up with two 3,500 pound torsion spread axles. So you've heard us talk about this a lot. This is a great axle setup. It does give you an independent suspension, so it's going to ride better, tow better, and then spreading those axles apart, like you guys can see right there, cuts down on wagging and swaying that can occur. It's also a deck over, so you've got a ton of ground clearance underneath here, so you're not going to be worried about getting stuck in the snow. You do have aluminum wheels, radial tires. There's a fuel door right there as well, two-way side vents that you guys are looking at, and then we also have the front drive off ramp. We'll take a peek at that more again in a second. Nice big polished front V-nose here, and that's for great rock protection. Plus you've got, of course, the diamond plate rock guard on the front. Side swivel jack so you can get that up and out of the way. And then let's talk about this flooring. They have a lifetime warranty on this floor. It's like unheard of. And it's an amazing floor. This is a double coated poly Nudo floor. You've heard us talk about this a ton of times. It's got this great black durable surface here on top. You basically can't hurt this stuff. And then on the middle of this is Drymax, which is a water resistant product. And then they take it one step further. I'm going to show you guys the underneath side of this trailer. You guys can see there's all your aluminum structure and framing. You do have heavy duty structure underneath there, but that's also the underneath side of the floor. It's essentially a plastic coated bottom of the trailer. So this floor is going to last you guys forever, essentially. That's why they do a lifetime warranty on their flooring. 5-year on everything else on the trailer. So we do have a 7-foot interior height, and we're just going to come right in here since we're here. We've got the awesome Sled Track, and it's set up ready to go. You guys can twist those and tie your sled skis right underneath those. Matching spare tire. All finished out walls and ceiling in this unit as well. And then we upgraded all the lights. So you've got these beautiful 8 recessed puck lights in the corners. So you'll have a lot of nice light in here. Plus a couple of overhead dome lights. There's one of these two-way side vents. These are great because you guys can open these and close these. So it gives you some ability there to kind of control what you're letting in and out. Toggle switches. Backside of the RV lot gives you a lock-a-latch, a set of keys. Here's this awesome flooring. There's that fuel door we talked about. One more side vent so you can get a cross ventilation through here. There's this nice ramp door. Again, this also has that lip on the end of it to help with the transition coming in and out. And then we also added a load light to this. So if you guys are up in the mountains doing your thing and it's getting dark, you can see what you're doing to get in and out at night. So here it is. Again, beautiful setup. I'll have more specs, pricing, and everything right online at coloradotrailersinc.com. You guys can also purchase this right now right online from there. We do have a buy it now button, as well as everything else that you guys need to know about this trailer. So please give us a call, 303-688-8485, or again, we're always online at coloradotrailersinc.com. Be sure to like and subscribe.